Oh, you got that one.
Good job, buddy.
Good job.
We walk out the bar, we get outside.
We're checking the 5-ton out.
At this point, I figured I was going to get a shot of Sgt Maj just kind of pulling away in his 5-ton. Charlie's already in the back, like ready to go.
You're riding in the back.
Duh.
All right.
I'm not riding in the front with you.
Sergeant Major decides that he wants to take this son of a bitch for a rip down Main Street in Winston Salem.
It didn't have to be a fucking massive turnout up in this motherfucker. It just, it just had to be this. That's
Yeah,
all I
hey,
had to do.
listen, quantity can't beat quality sometimes.
That's right.
I think it's pretty badass, man. Very, very impressive that we're about ready to roll around the block just for fun.
All my memories, West Virginia, life is older.
Unfortunately, there wasn't a whole lot of people out there.
Dark and dusty, West Virginia, West Virginia.
We had people screaming at us. Charlie's yelling, "America's coming through."
America's coming through. Watch out, America.
Meanwhile, Yut Yut's over there doing some heavy metal headbanging.
West Virginia.